Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to combine videos in TikTok in 2021. It's a super simple process, so if this video helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. So let's start. First, what you have to do is of course click on the plus sign at the bottom to upload a video. Now after you've done that, go to upload or just shoot your video now, but I've already prepared some clips and let's choose, for example, those three. It doesn't really matter. And now what you have to do is, after you've chosen a song, you can click on the default tab, not sound sync, default, and now you can adjust each clip manually so you fit the right part in, or you can just click on sound sync and TikTok will automatically make your videos. Now after you've done this, you just have to click on next and you'll see a preview of your video, and that's basically it. That's how you do it. If this video helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.